Another busy day on the farm. We've got more birds coming. So the birds that were in the brooder had to come out. That does not focus well. Look, chicken wire. All right. So we get all these birds out here. Lots of dog fennel. It's also supposed to start raining for the whole week. Like a week of flooding. So we got all the chicken tractors relocated to a different field. That's the first part. Repairing any busted boards. There's always some. They just break. It happens. Not, So they've got to go all the way down this field. It's a slight slope. So we got chickens out here. That's the crates still. Let the rain clean those off. They are out here just being chickens. That's it.